All right, well, spring cleaning ahead of Chinese New Year. So it often means that many things that still have life in them are being discarded. But some places are encouraging a more meaningful approach.
Ever had a full wardrobe but nothing to wear? Well, you're not alone, according to this retailer, which is all about fashion with a purpose. This year, for the first time, it organized a clothes swapping event ahead of Chinese New Year. It saw business pick up and sign-ups rise 15%, with these customers saying they'd rather swap than shop.
CNY is upcoming, so I'm trying to clear a lot of my wardrobe, so I cleared out a lot of clothes. So I think this is a very good place for me to deposit the clothes that I used to wear.
In terms of the fashion industry, I think we really need to be very cautious against fast fashion.
The store was set up a year and a half ago. It's one of several firms here trying to promote conscious consumerism and plug the concept of socially responsible fashion. It has a wide customer base of working professionals and a stable of influencers who connect with teens and millennials.
Fashion is actually one of the most polluting industry in terms of the production side and the waste. So how we came about with the fashion pulpit is with the aim of providing an easy platform for everyone to prolong the lifespan of what we have already in our wardrobe, at the same time lessen the textile waste through swapping, upcycling.
Elsewhere, this charity organization ensures that items in good condition don't make their way to the incinerator.
Donors will drop in their pre-loved items to us, and our recycling partner who works with us will then collect them from us on a regular basis. They will also then donate to us a cash donation, and we use that cash donation to purchase groceries for our beneficiaries from our low-income families.
During the Chinese New Year season, it says it sees more people donating used items like clothes, bags and shoes. This year, it's collected more than 3,000 kilograms worth of recyclables, and that translates to enough cash donations for 1 month of groceries for 30 beneficiaries. Meta also works with an e-waste recycling firm, so another festive donation drive was organized just for used electronics and IT equipment. In this case, old laptops, mobile phones and batteries are exchanged for donations in kind of corresponding value.